Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Beaver RDR2 step by step. Start by heading to swampy rivers at dawn or dusk where beavers are active, use binoculars to spot dams, and move quietly to within hunting range. Equip a clean killing weapon, aim for a quick shot to preserve the pelt, and prepare to skin the animal immediately for quality pelts and parts used in crafting and selling. Choose gear that preserves pelt quality and ensures a quick harvest, like a high-velocity rifle for small game or a bow with small game arrows for cleaner kills. Bring a horse and a satchel to carry pelts without damaging them, and pack provisions for long hunts in remote swamps. Always watch your surroundings for predators and rival hunters to protect your bounty and make the trip efficient and safe. Quick recommendation and a friendly ad. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that save space, prevent spills on horseback, and keep food fresh between hunting sessions. Great for long trips. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them easily, and now let's get back to the video. Move slowly along riverbanks looking for fresh wood chips and active dams to pinpoint beaver locations, then stalk with patience, staying downwind and using cover to get close. When you're in range, choose a clean shot to the head or vital area to avoid pelt damage, then skin the animal promptly to maintain quality. Consider timing hunts at dawn or dusk when beavers are most active for higher success rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.